Well, I thought I was going to spend most of my time starting the roof repair, but I decided to go ahead and replace this shoulder and probably that skirt as well. This is needed to be done for a while. You can see all this, it was the same as the other side, you know, just rotted out. It's just this thin 3-ply Luan with foam, and it had gotten wet. The water heater's right there and the battery compartment is right here. The water pump is right there. So at one point all this got wet. So I've got it all torn back to good wood, and I'm going to replace all of this, this whole shoulder with composite, just like I did the other side. Then I'll rebuild this wing, just like I did this one with the composite. And then I can start the roof. These are pretty much all the tools that I had to use to get that shoulder out. Of course, hammer and a cat's paw, a couple of good pry bars, a short one and a long one. Drill bit to find my corners. Drilled up through the floor in each corner just to make sure that I knew from the top side where I was. You know, some channel locks, good utility knife, and of course the multi-tool. That thing was a lifesaver, and a good flashlight. So I'll get this side buttoned up and then I'll start on the roof.